Do you have a business or a business idea? Do you know you can apply for a $1,000 grant? Have you heard of Hustlers Micro Grants? Don't worry, I'm gonna share with you guys step by step how to apply for these grants. And just so you know, this is a free $1,000 grants that you're not paying back. Oh yes, this is free money that you're not paying back. Unlike loans that you have to pay back, and that's on period. Yes, for loans you pay back with interest. This is a $1,000 grants that you ain't paying back. Anyone and everyone can apply for this grant. So stick around and watch this video all the way till the end. If you're interested in this video, if you're interested in this fund, these grants, keep on watching. Don't even touch the dial. So if you're new to this channel, introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And if you are a Patreon member, man, you guys, drum rolls, drum rolls, drum rolls. Thank you to all of my Patreon members on this channel. Thank you for all that you do. I see you and I appreciate you. Yes, if you want to be part of my exclusive Patreon community, you're invited. Find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community as part of my inner caucus, you get full access to me. We can discuss all things money, business, grants, and everything in between as an exclusive Patreon member. So yes, let me go ahead and introduce myself while you guys introduce yourselves as well. If you're new to this channel, introduce yourself. You think I'll forget? Introduce yourself in the comments. My name is Mariam. I'm a wife. I'm based here in California. I'm a mom, a student, and entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share all things money. Yes, so how to help you how to secure the bag with you on this channel. Yes, that's what we are all about on this. I share how to make money as well as grants opportunities. If you want to see more of grants videos on this channel, please let me know. And if you also want to see more of how to make money videos on this channel, please let me know. Note, your wish is my command. I'm working hard for you guys day and night, so let me know what you want to see more of right here on this channel. So without further ado, guys, let's just get right into how to win this $1,000 free money. After all, it's free money. Come with me, let's go. So guys, just so you know, the Hustlers Micro Grant of $1,000 is empowering small businesses across the USA. Are you a passionate entrepreneur with big dreams and a small business in need of support? What would you do with $1,000 business grants? Guess what? Deja Parker of WBLS in collaboration with HerSuiteSpot proudly presents the Hustlers Micro Grants, a remarkable opportunity for small business owners like you to receive the boost that you deserve. Their mission is pretty simple: to provide grants and invaluable resources to promising small businesses across the United States, with applications open every month, which means this video never expires. Yes, so whenever you watch this video, you can always apply for these grants. The process is straightforward and dynamic, and here is how it works. Every month, the dedicated committee selects a deserving grants recipient from the pool of submitted applications, and to be eligible for the current month's grants, you have to follow the Deja Vu Show on all social media platforms at the official Deja Vu Show. Please ensure that your application is submitted by 11:59 p.m. on the last day of the month. Excitingly, the grant winners will be announced during the Hustlers Tips segment on the Deja Vu Show. In case you're wondering, who are the people that should apply for this micro grants? If you are an enterprising individual actively registered in the United States and your business has a gross revenue of, as long as you're making less than 1M, this grant opportunity is tailor-made for you. They invite entrepreneurs from diverse backgrounds and industries to seize this chance to propel your businesses to new heights. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Go ahead and apply for the Hustlers Micro Grants. And here are some of the questions to expect when you're filling in the application: your name, your email address, the name of your business, what would you do with the money if you're granted, yes, and all other vital information. And that's it, guys. Just so you know, grants can provide valuable resources for your organization to carry out projects or provide services that otherwise they would not have been able to. It is also important to remember, however, that grants are competitive. That is why I always implore that you apply for multiple grants so that you stand a chance to win. A lot of time and preparation are required to find grants opportunities, but I have done all the homework for you. I have researched all the grants and I'm going to be sharing with you guys back to back on this channel. So guys, plan a project and then develop your proposal, and you should have a realistic understanding of the grants process and of the time and resources required to submit a competitive grants application. Regardless, grants have many advantages, and it's a great way to further your organization's mission. Remember, you don't have to pay back. That's one. And then they provide you with with significant funds. Just one proposal will earn you money. I mean, just applying once will mean, I mean, by the time you win the grants, that's it. Funds do not have to be paid back to the grantor agency. Another advantage is that your startup can provide your startup with the money, access to funding that you would not have been able to get through any other means. And if you are able to successfully secure one grant, guess what? It will give you that financial boost, yes, to get your business up and running. And it can also help you to build your credibility. Yes, as for your startup, it shows that you have been able to secure funding from external sources. And guess what? It gets easier. Yes, by the time you win one grant, you stand a chance you're able to win more grants. It keeps opening doors for you. Like I said, you can use it to build credibility for yourself and for your business. There you have it, guys. I have done all the homework for you as always. Head over to the link in my description and start to apply for this grant as quickly as possible. Yes, so I've done all the homework for you guys. I've got you guys covered as always. If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Note, this is not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. Feel free to ask your questions and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And just in case you have any suggestions for me or any feedback regarding this channel, please let me know. Please note there are no stupid questions. Feel free to be yourself. I'm your girl, your host, your friend, your bestie, your friend right here on this channel. Feel free to ask your questions. And yes, I want to say a big thank you once again to my Patreon community. Thank you for your love and your massive support. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Like I said, when you join my Patreon community, you get free one-on-one consultation with me. Yes, we can discuss all things money, business, grants, and everything in between. You have full and direct access to me, literally. Yes, by joining my Patreon community, so you are invited to be part of this exclusive community. You can find the link in the description as well as in the comments, and that is it, guys. Applying for grants is easier than you think. Please also do something for me. Make sure that you apply for multiple grants, yes, so that you stand a chance to win grants. Don't just apply for one grant and cross your leg. Sweetie, you are not Beyonce. Nah, you are not. So go ahead and apply for multiple grants on my channel. Go to YouTube, go to my videos, right? Go to my channel and then click on videos and start to watch the videos one by one and be able to apply for these grants. A lot of the grants I share on this channel are actually available on a rolling basis, which means you can apply for a lot of them monthly. Yes, some of them never expire. So go ahead and apply for these grants. Some of them are available on a quarterly basis, some are available on a monthly basis, some are available biannually, and some are available every year. So don't even sleep on it. You know your girl has always got you guys covered. Like I said, if you have any questions for me, let me know any questions in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And if you're new here and you have not introduced yourself, my God is watching you. If you have not introduced yourself, oh yeah, introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you. I wasn't kidding when I said I wanted to know you. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? How did you find my video? Sent my videos to you, my video to you, my channel, yeah, to you. Let me know so I can say a big thank you to them personally in the comments. So go ahead and introduce yourself. I've introduced myself already. Where are you watching from? And don't forget to like this video. If you have not liked this video, please give this video a massive and huge thumbs up, like and share this video. Tell your friend to tell your friend to tell a friend, your friend, about these amazing opportunities. Just forward my videos to them and be a blessing to someone today. The fact that you shared my video doesn't reduce your own chances of winning grants, and this is something I strive to tell people. Please share my videos with your friends and your village members, your groups, your communities, your Facebook groups, your WhatsApp groups, your share on Twitter, share on your with your family members and your village members. You know how we do it on this channel. And that's it for today, guys. Applying for grants is easier than you think. All you need to do is apply for multiple, and of course take your time to apply for these grants. Do not copy and paste. Just tailor each grant to every grantor's specifications, and you're on your way to winning your grants. And if you win any grants by watching any of my videos, please send me a 1-minute video detailing how you found the grants by watching this video. If you watch this video up till this point, please type "I did it." I did it. Just type it in the comments. I did it. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video, but go ahead and watch this video right here.